Hello everybody, Root Beer here. I thought I'd start a brand new set of videos. We're starting to look at the grade 10 multiple choice contest, multiple choice Canadian math contest. I know there's something called the AMC, which is the grade 10 American math contest, and that's fantastic. But I'm talking specifically about the grade 10 level contest put out by the Center for Education in Mathematics and Computing from the University of Waterloo. This paper specifically is called the Cayley, I think after mathematician Arthur Cayley. And as with the Pascals and the Gauss and the Fermat as well, we're going to be starting with the 2000 paper because I really like the 21st century. It's just because a lot of these contests start a lot older, and the contests actually get easier as you go back, and I want to stay relevant with the difficulty of the current contests. However, if there is a demand or if I have the time, I might go back all the way to, I think, 1968, back when there was just the one Canadian math contest. So it's quite a bit of history there. But none of that, aside from all push all that aside, we're talking about the grade 10 Cayley paper for 2000, and let's take a look at the paper itself. So if you've ever done a Waterloo contest, fairly standard front page, and it's got the usual stuff, time limit, calculators are allowed for all the multiple choice questions, and I think for the written ones, the Friar Galois Hypatia, I'll have to check on that, but I'm pretty sure they are. As it says, it's multiple choice. There's 3 parts, part A, part B, and part C. The questions get more difficult as you progress, and yeah, that's about it. So, here we are, question number 1 in part A, starting off our first Cayley contest. I'm excited. If you have a chance, click on the link in the description. It's not for me, it's for you guys. Find yourself a copy of this contest, pause the video, try the contest for yourself. It's really, really important you learn more that way. But I'm going to assume you've done that, or you're just here because you really like math. So let's take a look at question number 1 together. Alright, question 1 appears to be a very simple sort of order of operations style question. The value of 2 times, and in brackets, 5 minus 2 minus 5 squared is, okay, so this is order of operations. So question 1 is order of operations. So PEMDAS, I think, is what they say these days. So this is brackets, but eventually in math, brackets mean something else. So parentheses, I'm sure I spelled that wrong. Exponents, sometimes this is called orders because square roots counts in here as well. Multiplication and division from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, also going from left to right. All of this, when you're at a particular level, is from left to right. Anyway, so we have 2, 5 minus 2, minus 5 squared. Okay, so the first thing we do is we do parentheses, which is brackets. So whatever's in the brackets. Well, 5 minus 2 is in the brackets. So we're going to look at 5 minus 2, so that's 3. So that's everything in the parentheses. Now we're going to do exponents, and that specifically means 5 squared. So 2 times 3, we leave them alone. Subtract 5 squared becomes 25. Now we have the multiplication and division. Well, we only have one multiplication, and that's 2 times 3. The minus and the 25, they stay exactly where they are. And now finally we have addition and subtraction. Well, 6 minus 25 is equal to negative 19. So negative 19 is the answer, and if you had a calculator, you could actually do this much quicker just by plugging in your calculator. But it's always good if you don't have a calculator or you want to make sure that you have the answer by doing it by hand, that you understand exactly what we're doing. And it's order of operations, and look, A, answer negative 19, that's exactly what we're looking for. So, A is our answer. All right. So that's the very first question on our very first Cayley. We've started ourselves off on an amazing journey, and I'll see you guys hopefully for question number 2 in the very next video. So long for now.